Hello, welcome to techanswer.com. Today we received a question like how to change date of birth in Snapchat. So if you have similar questions, you can go through techanswer.com here and you can click on ask a question and you post your question. So there is already an answer here. If you want this written answer, I'll drop this link in the description. You can go to that. So let's see how we can change the date of birth in Snapchat. See, when you open the Snapchat application, click on your profile picture at right top corner and then click on this gear symbol icon at right top corner and click on birthday. Once you click on birthday, you need to tap on the birthday here, date. Then you will find this area and you can change month and continue here. This is how simply you can change the date of birth in Snapchat.